look at this. Oh, there goes back. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my E92 335i, and today's the day that I've been waiting for the past month.
2 months.
My carbon fiber hood is finally here. So I'm going to be taking this off and installing the carbon fiber hood. I know I have to make a couple of trim cuts here just for the hood to sit in, and it's a CTS carbon hood, and it's going to look amazing, change the look of the car. So yeah, so my car is close to being done, just how I envisioned it 8 months ago, and today's the day, so let's get it. So that's the old hood. It's a little bit bent to the bottom, that's why I'm changing it. But yeah, look at this car. Can't wait for the carbon hood to go on. Let's get it.
My first job.
Good job.
Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride.
What am I dropping? Yeah, I'll put it upside down so I can put the stuff on there.
What stuff? The BMW symbol?
No, the brackets and stuff that needs to go out first.
Oh.
Oh, it's right here. So I finished up doing most of the install. This just screws on there. I couldn't use most of the stuff that was on my previous hood because there's not a lot of holes. So basically just this, these two, so your locking mechanism. I put this back, And yeah, it took a little bit of adjustment to get it right with the, you know, like the gap on both sides, but this is good.
A little bit.
Tighten this. So what?
A little bit.
Yeah. It took a long time to get this right, but just gonna tighten this. It really matches with my carbon mirrors too. So these are not the ones from Amazon because the carbon there just looks fake. But I'm so glad that this is real carbon. That's real carbon too. So it kind of matches the look. You know what I mean? So I'm basically going for this gold carbon look. I'm gonna change the bumper probably tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. But yeah, that's the whip.